Come on. We finna take a ride, y'all ain't ready? Let's go.
I got something to say.
It's a family celebration, come and take a ride. We about to celebrate, time to live your life. Taking trips across the globe, we got it going on. I talked to God about some things, we tryna get it going. He told me get up on your grind, tryna beat the odds. Working harder, even smarter with the family ties. I've been praying, so I hustle, giving God's time. Bringing light into the world, so we all shine. Pray, hustle, and travel and repeat, Sit back and relax, put up your feet, Pack your bags, come on, we about to take flight. Tripping with Dre and Michelle, yeah, it's a good life. Pray, hustle, and travel and repeat, Sit back and relax, put up your feet, Pack your bags, come on, we about to take flight. Tripping with Dre and Michelle, yeah, it's a good life.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we are on our third port day, and we are in the island of Roatan. I think I'm saying it right. So yeah, the sun is beaming. It's hot. The guys getting dressed. Feel like some water. The guys are getting dressed, and we're gonna get some breakfast really quick because we have an excursion. I think we're going to see the monkeys and the sloths and the rum factory or something like that. So that's what our day will consist of. So I will definitely be back to take y'all along. And if you are just getting to this video, you just stumbled across it, please subscribe, like, and comment and share our video. I know my eyes you probably can't see my eyes, but the sun is beaming so big, so hard. So I'll be back.
15 minutes on the airplane.
So how much is a gallon of gas here?
Oh, right now it's about $4.50.
Oh, okay.
It's drop a little bit. But this was about $5.
Oh, wow.
Also, they do the drums and stuff, and it's an African culture. Most of what's down here now is bilingual.
What's going on? How you feeling?
I'm good. Oh, you recording?
Yeah,
oh,
I'm recording. I'm taking a picture
hey,
too.
y'all, I'm with my cousin Dre. We out here in Honduras doing the darn thing with our people. Y'all see this melanin? Yeah, we loving it. That's right. Peter, wait, Peter. I want you to... Peter!
Come on, wifey.
This is my tour guide. Peter, this is my tour guide. When y'all come back again, you got to get him.
You gotta get
I was
Peter.
with him in December. Y'all look him up. Say your site on Facebook. Say we live. Say your thing. How they can find you, Peter, on Facebook.
Peter and Roatan Honduras.
Okay.
Facebook.
He's a good guy. I was with him in December, y'all, and I brought everybody back to tour with him today, and they are loving it. We love y'all, Melanin.
Cool. good breaks living here.
Some hills, man.
Man.
Oh, this part not too bad. The east part's got more hills.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the east part of the island. There are more hills there.
So, y'all, we are at Mayan Eden. I'm about to check out the sloths and such.
Chiven. Chiven. Hey. Hey, espérenlo.
Hey.
Acá, mira. Da. Hey.
Oh, look this way. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chiven, patita. Hey. Patita, patita. Patita. No. Okay. Patita.
That's okay. He tried to snip me.
Sorry.
Do you like to hold the sloth? You?
Oh.
No, okay. Only him. Him come for the sloth only.
Hey.
The other side. Can I take picture?
Yeah.
Yes. You?
Here with the sloths. Hey,
Y'all,
here
look
with the
at
sloths.
Andre. He got a new son.
Do you like to hold the monkeys? Do you like to hold the monkeys?
You want to hold the monkeys?
It's arriving.
Hey.
You want to hold the monkeys? Keon said bring him one back. He want to pet monkey.
No, es que era por la de Kevin, de esa señora del pastor.
Do you like to hold the white-faced monkeys? No?
Mm-mm.
And you, sir? But she say no. And he, you like to hold, buddy? Baby, hey.
So those monkeys are free, so they stay around
Yeah,
here?
only two in the cage because that one is the alpha. Sometimes make pee in your shoulder, sometimes bite your hair. And the other one don't like Chinese people.
Oh. So these monkeys just stay here in the...
Yeah, they're round. Hey, hey. Baby. Hey. Baby, baby. Keep jumping.
Smile, boy.
Get close, buddy. Get close. Get close. Get too close.
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
I just
You
want to get
miss?
a picture of him.
Okay. Okay, follow me, please.
Okay, please, do not get too close, please, okay? Please, do not get too close. Wow. Oh my
Oh, he love you, little Johnny. All right.
That's all you get.
No, I'm fine. I just
You
want to get a
miss?
picture of him.
Okay, follow me, please.
Okay, please, do not get too close, please, okay?
That's just a hotel for this place up there. That's called Lost.
That's gorgeous.
It's a lot of beautiful homes up in there.
Mhm.
Up in the hills there.
Yeah, I can tell we in a different neighborhood.
Yeah, it's exclusive, man.
So what do they do here?
It's the chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
This is where they make the chocolates on the island.
Mm-hmm.
They make chocolate, good chocolate. Man. they go up there, they're going to give you a little.
100 canoa or a rabbit, with 200 turkey, with 500 Mercedes-Benz, and so on. You know? So if we open this fruit, you can see that inside we have 100% dark chocolate right here. Right? So inside is 100% dark chocolate.
Is that snow?
Yeah, you can grab it, you can eat it also. It's 100% dark chocolate. So the Mayans used to grab that chocolate and put it on that table right here. And start doing this until they get a cocoa paste. Alright? When they got the cocoa paste, they put it on this container with hot water. In those times they didn't have sugar, so they had flowers or peppers or seeds, for example. The shell of the cocoa bean, we don't throw it away because it's good for making tea. The tea has a lot of magnesium, so it's good for relaxing, it's good for the stress. So the Mayans, when they had to, with hot water, they invented the beverage, the hot tea, the hot chocolate, sorry. The hot chocolate. So in some cases, they add red food coloring, because in the rituals, they like to say they drink blood, but actually it was just chocolate, right? Then the Europeans came and they saw the chocolate, they liked the chocolate and took it to Europe. Right? In Europe they invented the first chocolate bars. Right? So that's another thing that they took from us, right? The chocolate. So the benefits of dark chocolate is that it's good for cardiovascular health, it's good for the bones, it's good for reducing cholesterol, it prevents diabetes, it also reduces stress, it's the #1 antioxidant, it's good for the memory, and also it's aphrodisiac, so be careful with dark chocolate. Alright? So if you follow me that way, I'm going to give you free samples of the chocolate we make here, right? Okay. Also, if you like to tip, you can tip in this jar over here. Thank you very much. The end of the malls, you get the chocolate bar. These chocolate bars you see in here won awards in France in 2019 and 2021. So, in here we have the white chocolate area. You see in the middle, it has a number. That number tells you the percentage of sugar it has. In the bottom, you'll see a flavor. That's the flavor of the chocolate.
This, guys, we are a non-profit business. We're not here to make a profit, guys. We're here to provide local jobs.
She a Pisces?
When's your birthday? 20? No,
It's 20.
19th. She airs. She
That's the new one. That's the new zodiac sign.
Oh, that's the new one? Okay, Pisces, baby. I thought we had Pisces and Aries in the house.
I took it. I'm just videoing y'all now.
Because I was talking to Bobby. They don't. I was just talking to Bobby. I said, oh, Andre's big ass on here and I ain't found him yet. I said, but he probably was calling me fat there. Don't lie. Yes, he would. 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 Yes, he would.
Probably to himself, but no, he would.
Yeah, he would.
Look, Michelle got Lil Dre tasting rum cake.
We also have the rum tasting if you want to try some rum.
So y'all, we're here at the Rum Factory, and they have a bunch of different flavors of rum and rum cake, and we've picked out some. Always like to get the island rum, it's so good. So we're gonna, you can take that off, Lil Dre, you're mad. Yeah. Lil Dre was eating rum cake. How was it?
It was okay.
It was okay.
So this is the west end of the island.
Yes.
It's beautiful out here.
Yeah, yeah.
There's
Guest
always
services.
25 people lining up there.
Yeah.
And see, it used to be pretty near a requirement to get on them to be able to speak English. Now, a lot of these kids can't speak English.
Mm-hmm.
But I think they got the same problem everybody else. They got nobody wants to work.
Right.
So take whoever comes. You can't speak English, not a problem. We'll teach you.
Right.
But I'm a roofer, and I'm paying $35, $40 an hour and kissing asses to get them. No.
Yeah, I do notice though. My only complaint is like the service is much slower than new usual. We were on the Horizon in November, and I mean everything was just.
Oh yeah. Well, that's what I mean.
Quick.
This ship is, and it's new too. It's they've got to take a few kinks. Got to give them a little bit for that.
I mean, it ain't new. I mean, it's been since what, last June?
Well, I thought it came out in 20, but then somebody on the ship there said no, yeah, but it didn't actually come out until I don't know last November or something. But it's a hell of a lot better than being in Ontario or Michigan.
Yeah, man, that's the
All
truth.
right, have a good day.
You too. So this is the Mardi Gras. Yeah, I took the picture, Michelle. That's the new Mardi Gras and the old Mardi Gras. Look at the comparison. Man, that's perfect. You said what, Michelle? So y'all, we're back on the ship. And we're hungry, so we're heading to Emerils for some food. Hey, y'all. Heading to Emerils to get some food. And, yeah, we hungry.
Ugh.
So this is my shrimp po' boy I ordered. I look like I got about 6 shrimp on there. So yeah, I'm about to try this out.
Here's my muffaletta.
Look, y'all, look at all this food Michelle done ordered in it. Oysters, sandwiches, shrimp, scampi. Look.
Ooh, that's hot.
Get this funky mess from in front of me.
Dude, it ain't funky.
Don't mess with no oysters, man.
Just try it.
Mm-mm.
They're good.
Nope.
It's a good aphrodisiac. It's hot.
Is the oyster on there?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's just chill.
Ugh. How they taste?
Good. It's good. Try one.
Nope.
I don't like none of them other ones you just tried before.
All right, y'all. Well, I'm still waiting on my jambalaya while Michelle's doing her this food eating challenge. And my jambalaya finally came. I didn't think it was supposed to be sizzling like this, but okay. Just in a cast iron skillet. Michelle smashed them oysters.
So they announced some of the stuff that's going to be on there.
Oh, I saw this Miami theme.
Yeah, Miami theme. Yeah.
I didn't know during that area was like a South Beach vibe, so.
Well, see, I thought that's what really big out here.
No, I know that's like some tropical place. As far as I know, I think brass is supposed to be some kind of soft face kind of vibe. Something like Scarface.
Yeah,
like something
Oh, like a
Miami
yeah,
something like that.
like a mafia kind of.
That's what I've heard. So I haven't seen
Yeah.
it yet.
Chicago type thing.
So,
If she was smart, she would have already left me a long time ago. But then, if she was smart, she would have done that. If she be able to. I should tell you a story of how we do it.
What happened?
Crystal ball.
I tell it all the time. She's heard me tell it. They can hear everything.
Pop it, make a wish.
Yeah, and
That
film
was
that
good though.
when you pop it.
Should have already done it.
Oh, I gotta pop it.
Yeah, make a wish and pop it.
Look at me. Okay.
Thank you. It wouldn't be.
How is it?
Can I have some napkins or just spilled by accident?
No, it ain't spilled by accident. Just clumsy.
That's okay. That's still by accident. It wasn't on purpose.
She got so excited.
Yeah.
Well, y'all, we just finished Emerils. Well, I finished Emerils. Michelle still had food left.
I only had a little bit of food left. Some more flat.
How'd you like Emerils,
I
Michelle?
liked it. It was pretty good. I think I like the actual restaurant in New Orleans better, but it was good. I give it a 9.9.
I give it a. Well, I ain't never been to the one in New Orleans, but I give it a 6. I mean, a shrimp po' boy. I expect to be like a lot of shrimp on it. You know.
This is a cruise ship.
I know it's a cruise ship, but I mean, for the price, you know, shrimp ain't that much.
It says shrimp is expensive now.
Shrimp ain't that
All
much.
seafood is expensive.
So I give it a 6. Shrimp po' boy sandwich was good. The jambalaya was the disappointment, though. The jambalaya in the buffet is actually better than the one in Emerils, to me, in my opinion. But and what else I have? Oh, the bananas Foster, that was pretty good too.
Yeah, that was good.
So overall, Michelle gives it a 9.5. I give it a 6. So we're gonna meet in the middle and say Emerils was a good 8. And yeah, then we went to the Fortune Teller. I don't know why I want to keep saying alchemy. The Fortune Teller bar and got those drinks. So now we just ain't really nothing to do. People are still on the island for another, I think, 30-40 minutes. And then we're going to catch a couple shows. And that's about it for the day. So I guess we'll be back with something popping off. Hey y'all, so yeah, so a few things has happened since we last talked. First of all, we were watching the Vegas show and everything was going good, and then they just canceled the Vegas show right in the middle of the show. said it was what they said it was, Michelle, it was a technical emergency, whatever the heck that is. A technical emergency happened. We had to clear the 6th deck. They made it seem like the paramedics was about to start rushing in and giving people defibrillators or something. I don't know. Anyway, so we left there and took a couple pictures with Antoinette Fun and Michelle. And so we went back into the area, and they were saying something about they were going to change the venue to the big theater to continue the show. Well, I mean, by this time, you know, I'm a momentum person. I mean, the show was gaining momentum, and then you just cut it in the middle of it. So I'm like, I'm not interested in going to another venue and watching the show from where it cut off at. So we just said, skip it. We went upstairs, got something to eat in the Lido Marketplace, and met a great family, man. They were funny. They made our night. That was pretty much the entertainment we needed. So we're back here in the cabin, and Michelle.
Hey y'all.
I just don't know what to say about her. She punked out today at the doggone sloth thing. She wouldn't do the bird thing, talking about the bird tried to snip her. She wouldn't hold the monkey. You know, I don't get it. She just wasn't a good participant today. I don't know what to say for her today.
Participate these nuts.
So I don't know. We just gonna hope for the best from Michelle from the rest of this trip, I guess. So that was today. Roatan was all right. I mean, I really don't have any complaints. It was a nice it's a nice island. I mean, I don't have to come back here. Michelle may think different. But it was a nice island. Maybe when we come back, maybe we'll check out the beach area. But we already had a beach day this week, so we really wasn't concerned about having a beach day today. So, yeah. So today was our last island. We have sea days for the next 2 days, and then we're back in Florida. So yeah, y'all, we're going to make the best of our last sea days. Of course, getting some things together, start to do some packing, some strategic packing, because, man, we got a bunch of stuff we got to take back, and we already didn't have as much room as anyway coming here. So we got to see about that. So that's today, y'all. So we're going to close out this video for Roatan and Mahogany Bay. And I'm going to turn it over to Michelle.
Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button, comment, and share out this video. Peace out. Love you all.
Oh, you're going to give us the May the Lord Watch version today. Like I said, she need prayer, y'all. We just gonna hope for the best. All right, you guys, we love you. Keep tripping with Dre and Michelle, and see y'all tomorrow on the next sea day.